This is James Wilson with Storm Chaser Update. This is a bulletin of Tropical Storm Hermine Immediate Weather Advisory, number 12A, National Weather Service Hurricane Center, Miami, Florida, at 1 o'clock. NOAA, the hurricane hunters, find that the depression has strengthened into a tropical storm. Summary of 1 o'clock p.m. Central Time, 1800 UTC time. Information. Location, 24.7 degrees north, 88.0 degrees west. About 395 miles south-southwest of Appalachia, Florida. About 415 miles west-southwest of Tampa, Florida. The maximum sustained winds is 40 miles an hour. Persist movement north or 10 degrees at 2 miles an hour. Minimum central pressure is 1,000 millibars, 29.53 inches. The watches, there are changes with this advisory. There is no changes with this advisory. Summary of watches and warnings in effect. A hurricane watch is in effect for Antelope River to the Indian Pass. A tropical storm warning is in effect for Antelope River to the Walton Bay County line. A tropical storm watch is in effect for Maryland, Florida, and Altamont Sound, Georgia. A hurricane watch means that hurricane conditions are possible with the watch area. A watch is typically issued 48 hours before the anticipated first occurrence of the tropical storm force winds. Conditions that make outside preparations difficult for dangerous. A tropical storm warning means that storm conditions are expected somewhere within the warning area within 36 hours. The discussion. At 1 o'clock, the center of the tropical storm Hermine was located near the latitude 24.7 north, longitude 88.0 west. Hermine appears to be drifting northward near 2 miles an hour. A northeastward motion is expected later today, and a turn toward the northeast with increasingly forward speed is expected on Thursday. On the forecast track, the center of Hermine will approach the northwest Florida coast in the warning area on Thursday afternoon. Maximum sustained winds have increased to near 40 miles an hour with higher gusts. Additional strengthening is forecast during the next day or two, and Hermine could near hurricane strength by the time landfall occurs. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 105 miles an hour. The estimated minimum central pressure is 1,000 millibars, which is 29.53 inches. Okay, here's the hazards that's affecting land. Wind. Tropical storm conditions are expected to first reach the coast within the warning area on Thursday afternoon. Hurricane conditions are possible over portions of the hurricane watch area beginning Thursday afternoon. Tropical storm conditions are possible in the tropical storm watch area by early Friday. Storm surge. The combination of a dangerous storm surge and the tide will cause normally dry areas near the coast to be flooded by rising waters moving inland from the shoreline. There is a danger of life-threatening inundation within the next 36 to 48 hours along the Gulf Coast of Florida from Apalachia to Indian Pass. For a description of the areas at risk, please see the prototype at the National Weather Service. The water could reach the following heights above ground if the peak surge occurs at the time of high tide. Indian Pass, 2 to 4 feet. Ocoee River, 3 to 5 feet. And so forth. Okay, rainfall is the most important condition right now. Hermine is expected to produce additional rain accumulations of 2 to 4 inches over western Cuba through today, with the maximum storm totals up to 20 inches of rain. These rains could cause life-threatening flash floods and mudslides. Storm totals could be 5 to 10 inches, are possible over portions of central and northern Florida through Friday. Tornadoes. Isolated tornadoes are possible late tonight into Thursday morning, mainly across central Florida. A few tornadoes are possible Thursday afternoon into Thursday night over North Florida and southwest Georgia. We'd like to thank you for listening to this weather blog. Our next complete advisory will be at 4 o'clock Central Standard Time. Have a nice day. Don't forget to like us on Facebook at Storm Chaser 6969. Facebook.com/Storm Chaser 6969. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
and be safe.